Ever wondered why some videos go viral while others don't? It's not just luck. There's a blueprint to making videos irresistible. Today, we'll uncover the secrets behind viral success and how you can replicate it. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass, LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. A captivating hook, valuable content, and a compelling call to action are key. These elements work together to engage viewers and keep them watching. Let's dive into how each plays a crucial role in your video's success. The first 5-10 seconds are crucial. Grab attention with a bold statement or intriguing question. For example, want to make your video go viral? This sparks curiosity and encourages viewers to stick around. Effective hooks are the backbone of viewer retention. They create a curiosity gap, making viewers eager to learn more. Mastering this can significantly boost your video's watch time and overall success. SEO-optimized titles and descriptions are your best friends. They help your video get discovered. Use keywords strategically to enhance visibility and attract the right audience. Thumbnails are your video's first impression. Design eye-catching visuals that compel viewers to click. Remember, a great thumbnail can make or break your video's reach. Keep viewers engaged with cards and end screens. These tools guide them to more of your content, increasing watch time. Promote your video across social media to expand its reach. Collaboration and community engagement amplify your video's impact. Partner with other creators and engage with your audience. By doing so, you'll foster a loyal community and boost your video's success.